Yeah, nation people. Vybz Cartel got 3-piece chicken and chip. The gimmicks thing that the inner it. You see what I say? Him got axe style. You see? Then immediately him said them are fake. Him got fake. And us, you could have even rise up in the morning, crack a dawning. What the general say? I saw you tell him. So she tell me, what? What she tell you, my brother? Here we are going. Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on, you know, carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on. When I come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know what it go? When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. And the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. Can't even get no more electrified than that. But here what me I say. The world boss dep on a different role right now. Song does a spit out countlessly. I wonder if you not keep up with them or them too much for the ears nation people. Because right now I want to know, you know. Going to the last season of the year, you know. You have songs in abundance we are going to pull out because remember, you know. The great news just the right round the corner in February, you know. For the Privy Council tell the world ball for go home like Jerome, you know. So now gimmicks thing now in it, so now watch the distraction where them a try deal, you know. Make certain we not support the music nation people. No gimmicks business not dead about it. And now wait till when the world boss forward, una say ray, and then una run up and down. It a go look like a some bandwagonist thing. Yes, what me I say, I know personally, say, them a do something to the world boss YouTube channel. Me not have to tell you no how me know, but me know personally. Yes, what me I say, them a do something to the man YouTube channel. Is either people now get the notification, is what I say, or them put a block on the man name or something like that. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. But don't watch what them a do. Make certain you know still put in phone work. And you see when you see the song them over Spotify, make certain you stream the hell out of them because that them can't stop that. You see what I say? Remember says the Spotify is not a free thing. Where them can't rig my roll and do what them want to do. You hear that? So them can't stop that. That are the main reason why you see the world boss ever run up on the iTunes charts, them and them shit down. Ever do good on Spotify where more than where them can where other artists are do. Not that is not no disrespect to no other artists, but me just gonna show you. You see me? Some of them where you see a wicked on YouTube, you see what I say, can't talk to the world boss when them go over Spotify and a lollipop thing in it. That's just the fuck a real way I represent Gaza way there ain't no other way. You see what I say? Yeah, the lollipop thing in it. So I want to go check out the 3 song them because the 3 song them mean as what I say. No gimmicks thing in it. You see what I deal with? Me no know where go on. But if you not listen to the song them, people, the song them is like a movie script. You see the visual of what the man even say. You see what I say? And no visual not there. I just how the man lay down the track. You see it clear, big time, full time. You see me? Big scream thing. You see me? Yeah. I something like where woman and brother this them would have produce. No gimmicks thing that in it. You see what I say? The gun song. Oh fuck man. You see the whole picture, my brother. Fake. Don't ever bother talk, man. Don't ever bother talk. You know what I mean? It come like say some magnifying glass, a big giant picture you see. Paint out. Phenomenal way. You see what I say? Done by the genius himself, the world boss. Yo, them song they wicked. You see me, them three song the nation people, I want to oppress them. You see what I say? Because the song them tough. She tell me so. What? Eh? See you world boss. You think you're easy? Me don't know high grade smoker, you know bun beady. A regular me I tell them but them not believe me. Eh? Eh nation people? The world boss off the chart people. You see what I say? And that's why. More while when I not see. Man I run up on the YouTube thing like that. Let me tell you something. I don't know if YouTube shadow ban the man name. But me know personally say something are going with the man. Music and video on YouTube. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. I remember say, when I tell you say me know, you have to remember say, and I say me say Gaza. I live Gaza. And that's why I know. You see what I say? No joke thing not in my game. But me I tell on the nation people, now watch what them a do. Make certain you do what you supposed to do and support the music set speed. You see what I say? Yeah man. Go cut the music them man from off of iTunes and make sure you not stream them on Spotify. That is it man. You see what I say? Yeah. And go over circle over YouTube and put it in where you're supposed to put it. You see what I say? Make them go and fight. Them can't stop nothing at all. The dynasty already built already. The empire already up. You see what I say? Yeah. So there ain't nothing them can do. Them can't ever tarnish your reputation nor your career. You know see how much years world boss in a bomber clad prison nation people? How much years now world boss in a prison? How the career look? Talk to me now. Eh? All the respect set out in the world. Eh? All the impact still take on to the world. Oh. Eh? When you not see no other artists, dancehall artists should say with that magnitude or impact nowhere at all over the world. No games thing not in it. No lollipop thing not in it. Which one I wanna say? People have bust with the artist picture and be a thing upon it. Which part of the world they see people have artist name and picture with be a thing in it and people are going wicked. Which village, which street, which road, which city? Come on man. Talk to me good no man. All the impact still up in the world. First class way. No gimmicks thing not there in it. So when you talk about the world boss, you have to make certain you know what you do. You hear that? I like the Bob Marley for dancehall music that. And no gimmicks thing not in my game. Anybody who listen dancehall music and a part of dancehall music don't agree with what I just said a while ago. I after hater. And no apology no dead about that. And the general, the 10-star one I represent. I wanna know each and every time I represent. I wanna know a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. What? Nation people. The threesome them. Run up the views them. And make certain a circle. Spotify. And get things done. Oh.